So Bishop visits Talita and give her all the feedback, or which part of the feedback was that she is not going anywhere anytime soon. One, the other one, she is going to bail hearing, kadi 1 June, and then also, her medical report is back. It shows that she's now much healthier, which means she needs to go back to the public prison. Which now she freaked out and said, "No, you need to fight that. Go the public prison because right now I don't want to." And then she asked her, "How? Did you not say wa Victor? Kandi, what happened there?" I don't know, I did, but the kid did not agree to meeting me or having a conversation in relation to any of this. So now, which means that she has failed in that regard. Now, Talita says that now I will sort out Victor. Way, wabona ndiba ne-stress, ndiphathwa yi-anxiety as soon as she says I will deal with. Ooh, I know her dealing with. Oh, Ngosiam, her dealing with somebody could mean fireworks, the works. So that is the problem. So now, being in jail, Turiso comes to visit the mother, and she was talking about how Boko, now the father wants to change the surname. They came with Shimbelane. The utterances were good, and the atmosphere was good. She enjoyed Ingi Mole. But then it looks like the mother was not interested in anything that she was saying. She actually was asking the mother, "Do you think it's a good idea that he changes the surname so that we can both change the surname to the now the Tsonga surname, which is Chauke?" Mama Hai was not interested in any of this. And Mama Kante, and she's like, "Oh, nice. I want you to do something for me." Victor. Oh, Teresa says no. No, Mama, that does not sound right. Why do you want me to go and lie to Victor? That does not sound right. I'm not good. Are you white king every time in wanna disappointer? You always want to do everything by the book. Okay, she was not really happy about that. Ladies and gentlemen, as you can already see, we're going to be reviewing Scandal. Dima Dekwa na sanibonani awusheni molweni minjani. Hipukile hinkongwina. So namuhla ka kwa hina wa Scandal. Last time looking at the fact that Victor is having a conversation with his daughter, and best believe if that was my child, okay, well, I wouldn't necessarily come. So because now Victor says, and I think it was not because he was being mean. I think it's a father daughter conversation showing her no, but out of everybody, why uchuzali banditi? He was just being a concerned father, and then Aribona, that libanditi is better than you. When after everything, you have no right whatsoever to call other people libanditi. The difference between you and them is that Bale, they are paying for their sins, and you, while on the other hand, oparam yo, no. No, she is not an African child because what? If it was my mother, before you could even finish a sentence, what? Who developed about this? But then they then apologized to each other. She then apologized. Okay, she didn't apologize, but the father was the one to apologize way too. Yeah, the father apologized. Victor apologized and said, "No, I remember you saying that it's your body, your life. You want to decide whatever you want to do with your body. Then I will get la theater. Sana." She's living large. She's having her best life. Your father saying that kita theater go any choices that you make, not in my house. Anyway, on the other hand, Mafutela had a conversation with a friend, and the friend, Dallas' wife, told her who she went. This is the experience that she was. Now she gets to experience the truth from umgan from a heart to heart, and she was so shocked. Oh my goodness, I did not know you were going through such kind of things. Had I known, maybe probably I would have been closer. Ugasa is throwing his toys because he believes ukuthi umfazi wakhe still has feelings for ubaba kapoko. But then she then explained herself, and also reassure him gore ke rata wena, and we did not separate because I wanted. We were separated by my mother. Ooh, Gasa says, yo, uma wakho, she's so evil. Kodwa uyathandaza. How does that happen?